Ever wondered which videos or posts you viewed on X? Most people get this wrong. They assume watch history works like YouTube or TikTok. The surprising truth is that X organizes history differently, but you can still track your activity if you know where to look. To check your watch history on X using a PC, start by logging into your account. Click on your profile icon and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, select Data and Permissions, and then click your data on X. Here, you'll find an option labeled Content You Viewed or Video Watch History. This section shows the posts and videos you've interacted with, including likes and retweets. On mobile, open the X app and tap your profile. Then go to Settings and Privacy, followed by your account, and download an archive of your data. While X doesn't show a traditional chronological feed, this archive contains all the media you've engaged with, which you can search to find videos or posts you watched. One important tip: if you use private browsing or clear your cache regularly, some history may not appear. Also, content that has been deleted or accounts that are suspended may no longer be visible. In conclusion, checking your watch history on X is possible, but it's less straightforward than other platforms. By exploring your data on X, you can see your engagement history and track the content you've watched. If this guide helped you find your watch history, subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and tricks to master social media platforms efficiently.